Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Guys, this video is a beginner's guide to people that are new to the AK platform. Maybe you're thinking about buying one, or you did buy one, you're not sure how things work on there. This video is for you guys. Like I said, this is the AK-47, the most popular rifle in the entire world, second to the AR-15 in the United States. This is the most widely used shoulder weapon in the entire world. The name AK-47 comes from AK, which represents Avtomat Kalashnikov, which is Russian for automatic Kalashnikov, for the general himself, the designer Mikhail Kalashnikov, who designed it in 1947. It fires 600 rounds per minute in full auto mode, and it was designed for its simplicity, reliability, and its ability to take a beating on the battlefield. Guys, there's not a whole lot that can stop this rifle. Literally nothing can stop it. Like I said, the design is so simple. You have any issues with it, jamming, whatever, you can fix it all yourself. There's hundreds of thousands of accessories and modifications you can do to your AK. You can do all wood furniture on it. You can do Magpul furniture on it, or you can do a combination of both. There's just a lot of options you could put on there, and we'll talk about some of the options I have on some of mine. This is a pistol AK-47. This is your grip. This is your lower receiver right here. This is your safety selector switch. And as you can see, it has the bolt hold open feature on it. This is your charging handle. This is your rear sight. Your front sight. There's a special tool to be able to adjust this that you got to get. This is your muzzle brake. This is a slanted muzzle brake. They have other bird cages or flash hiders that you could put, like I have on these two right here. Like I said, there's tons of options you could, accessories you could put on here. This is your upper and lower handguard right here. And mounting a Picatinny rail on here, you do it just like you do an AR-15, guys. Same thing. This is a shark fin foregrip here to hold on to. Your rear sight. As you can see, I took mine off because I wanted to be able to have an optic on here if I wanted to. This particular AK didn't come with a side rail to mount an optic on it like those two did. And I didn't really want to drill into my receiver. So I got, after doing some research, I got this Soviet Arms rear sight Picatinny mount, which is very similar to the one that's called the Turo Arms. Guys, but this thing is solid. I think I paid $70 for it. But you'd have to beat it off with a hammer. Shooting it, it doesn't move. There's no wiggle room. There's nothing in there, guys, that's going to make it move. This is your front trunnion, your dust cover, your trigger, your mag release right here, and obviously your magazine well right here. This one does have has the extended charging handle on it. I have it on all my AKs. So for the guys that have this and you're having trouble with yours falling off, guys, I did a video on how I used epoxy on mine, and it worked great. There's no room, it doesn't fall off. You won't have that issue no more. I used Gorilla Glue epoxy on mine, and I never had an issue with it. But one thing to be cautious of, if you have the bolt hold open feature on your AK and you use it, just make sure you leave enough space between here and the handle so you can still use that feature. As you can see it right there, that little gap right there. That way, if you push it too far in, you won't be able to use this feature no more because it's not going to work. So this is an extended charging handle you can get for your AK. And like I said, a Picatinny rail here that you would mount laser, light, flashlight, whatever you want. This is the Targon 5mm watt laser light combo. That's excellent, guys. It's very bright. The laser is very powerful. And they're about $70, and they work great. They're made out of aircraft aluminum, so it's not plastic garbage. They work excellent, guys. I have a review on my channel of this as well. Also, there's a video on my channel on how I installed the Turo Arms. I'm no gunsmith, but it was very simple to do, guys. It's not hard at all. So if you're thinking about doing that, like I said, this gives you the option to put an optic on your optic or red dot on your AK if that's what you want to have on there. Like I said, there's lots of accessories that you could put on your AK-47. To remove the dust cover, you push the button in here and the dust cover pops right off. Just like that. That's your dust cover, very simple. You have your recoil spring here, and you have your bolt carrier group here. The spring, you can literally, guys, what you do is a few times you could take this apart in 5 seconds with your eyes closed. Like I said, it was designed for its simplicity. It's very easy to fix a jam or whatever's wrong with it. You have your trigger here, your hammers here, right there. And here's your bolt carrier group. This is a semi-automatic rifle, guys. And the way it works is once you fire it, the gas is forced back to push the charging handle back the piston, and it ejects the spent shell casing and loads a new round. And then to pull your bolt carrier group out, you just pull it out like you're pulling back. It doesn't require a lot of force. Also, so this is your piston and your bolt carrier and the group. There's the bolt. Mine's all nice and clean and oiled. So if you take this out, there's only one way to put it back in. You can't put it in wrong. If you turn your thing upside down and it falls out, you have it in wrong. So there's no way you can make a mistake by doing that. Your firing pin and stuff is inside here. You can take them out. And these are the parts you want to check for deformation and stuff. If you're worried about your gun, if you got a cheap one, you want to watch for cracking or, you know, any deformation around the bolt. But all this other little stuff you see on here, this is all surface wear. I've got about 3,000 rounds probably through this one, so that's just normal AK wear. Nothing. The cam groove here, everything looks good. So, like I said, you can only put this in one way, and you'll know because, like I said, when you tip it upside down, it won't fall out. Also, another way, this little small knuckle here, it has to be to the left when you put this back inside. You have your front trunnion right here. This is another thing that you're gonna always want to check if you do a lot of shooting like I do. You check for deformation, cracks. If you got a cheap AK, like one of the older Century Arms or one of them old ones like that, you want to be aware of that. But again, it's very easy to use, take apart, put back together. There's, like I said, you could do it with your eyes closed. It's that easy. There's not much to it at all. And then putting the bolt carrier group back in, like I said, you can only go in one way, and it has little grooves right here on the left and right side where the bolt carrier group slits down in there and slides forward. So like I said, don't be afraid to take it out and play with it and explore. You can't hurt nothing. It's not gonna damage anything on your gun by taking it apart and, you know, looking inside of it, cleaning inside of it. Again, it was designed just for that. Very easy to use. Like I said, you don't have to be a genius to operate it, or, you know, like I said, take things apart and really get inside and look at it. That's it. Put it back together. It's very simple to use, guys. And then changing your foregrips on here. You could take these off. I had one already off. I was going to show you, but I forgot to grab it. But you lift up this locking lever here. This allows you to remove the top of the handguard here. And then once you take the top of the handguard off, there's another little lever inside of here that you move with your finger, and that will let you take off the bottom handguard if you want to switch upper and lower handguards and put wood on there, or you want to get the longer Magpul version of it handguard. You can. It's very, very simple, and there's hundreds of videos on YouTube to show you how to change these. I have a video on my channel as well on changing the upper and lower handguard on here. But again, guys, it's a beautiful, beautiful gun, and like I said, this has always been my love. It's my favorite gun. I've been a gun collector for a long time. The AK is by far one of my favorites. I love the AR-15 too, but if you've never shot an AK-47, believe me, it'll change your life. Like I said, there's a lot of accessories to add, and like I said, you could do any type of customize it any way you want. You don't have to have an optic on there. I wanted to have the option to put one on there just to have the option. If not, you can use your rear sights. They're very easy to get on target with the iron sights. They work excellent. Like I said, laser light. There's different types of grips you can put on here for your gun. There's just a lot of things you guys can do. You have your oversized mag release right here. Oh, and then the bolt hold open feature, guys, is when you're done with the empty mag, you pull your charging handle all the way back. And like I said, that bolt hold open feature locks it right there. So when you insert the new mag, all you gotta do is push the safety down, and you're ready. It's ready to fire. Very simple, very easy. That's a great feature. It's on all my AKs, and I like it a lot. It's really it's really convenient when you're loading and reloading mags. And I said your magazine well right there. So, and this is a 60 round mag right here. Guys, it's a beast. It's an absolute beast, guys. So I hope that I answered all you guys' questions. If not, feel free to comment. I will answer them back. Please like and subscribe to the channel, guys. I do a lot of awesome giveaways. I also build concealment furniture, concealment American flags, made out of 22 gauge steel. And I also make 3D printed lamps that you could check out on my channel. They're pretty cool, guys. I like building anything out of anything. I love to build, no matter what it is. If it's out of plastic, metal, whatever, I'll try to build anything. So again, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and check out our giveaway that's going on right now for a big AR-15 concealment flag. And that's it, guys. If you have any questions, please ask. Thanks for watching. Please be kind to one another, and God bless America. Have a great day, everybody.